रहे इसमें मेरे पास एक सवाल है, ग्रेशम नीट का फुल फॉर्म क्या है?
That's my time, guys. Okay, bye. Good night.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Mafia. So, in today's Mafia, we have 9 people who are protesting against the NEET paper leak scam. And among us, there's one person who is the Mafia, who has been selected by the corrupt powers to eliminate our voices. So, the Gen Zs have woken up and they're revolting. And here we have the 9 people who are going to be protesting against the paper leak. First up, we have Akash Shinde, who was famous for copying my papers. Next up, we have Suchita Oja, who also has been copying in her papers.
मैं पता वॉशरूम में जाके पेपर वो कॉपी कर
Thanks for that insight.
तू वॉशरूम में जाके रट्टा मार के फिर आके लिखती थी, इतना मेहनत घर पे ही
अरे वॉशरूम में 5 मिनट लगता है ना, 5 मिनट लगता है लिखने में, तो मैं जाके आती थी।
बट जब फ्लश करने के बाद आंसर रहता था याद कि फ्लश हो जाता।
Next up, we have Kiran, who I don't think has copied in any papers. Kiran looks like he's that, that result mark sheet which you put under the bed. Right now he's that, under the bed.
Wow, Anil. Wow. That was so
Thank
bright
you.
of you, Anil. I'm so proud of you, man.
Next one, we have the person who's currently looking like he would be responsible for the paper leak. That is good, Preet. The next person we have is a person who missed his exam only. Please welcome Matthew.
What exam you missed?
KG.
Thank God.
Okay, next up we have Sandra, who another person who I think should be copying her papers. We have Abigail. And last but not the least, the person who is in charge of paper leaks. We have Grisha Varman.
10 रुपए में एक पेपर, 10 रुपए में एक पेपर।
10 रुपए की तुरतुरे।
अरे इसके स्कूल के सामने मैंने देखा था ग्रेशम बांटते हुए।
I was selling paper outside.
Bro, that was newspaper.
No. I sold it to them. They failed, and then they came back to me asking for the paper. Then I told them next time don't copy.
How about
Okay,
you,
so-
Anil?
The 9th player is me. Last but not the least, we have
Thank you.
me, Ani Lobo, who has not copied in exams.
No way.
my God.
Liar.
that's a
Liar.
And that's why I would fail in exams.
Yeah.
So now we have the 9 players, and among us, there's one person who's going to be the Mafia. One of us is going to be nominated by the corrupt government or the corrupt powers, who's going to tell us to be the Mafia, and that Mafia will be responsible to shut our voices and kill us one by one. So let's begin. Mafia has been selected by the corrupt officials or the corrupt government or the corrupt powers, whatever you can call them. Whoever is the Mafia, 5 minutes to basically shut one of us. Till that time, we will see some videos. One second.
Your
Wrong
screen
chat.
is as slow as the government, bro.
Can you see?
Wrong chat.
अब इसका भी LKG का पेपर लीक हो गया।
KG1 का है
Tyrion Lannister
elementary।
protesting.
सूची तेरा क्लासमेट है क्या?
Oh, guys, someone was killed. The Mafia has selected the first person who has been killed. He's the one who didn't get the opportunity to even answer the papers. The first person to be killed is Matthew. So guys, we have Matthew. Because you're killed, who do you think has killed you?
To be very honest, Judge Sahab, though my net worth is not net worth, that's why people are jealous.
Yeah, your
I
network was
think
just bad.
he's the only one. The sky is limit. Akash Shinde.
Okay, सही है भाई. Akash, would you like to say something? Who do you think? Why do you think it's not you?
नहीं भाई मैं बेगुनाह हूँ।
I have a feeling Mr. Slim Shady has done this work.
I think it is Kiran.
अरे it's not me भाई। I
Great.
feel it is सुचिता और अनिल।
Why
अनिल
do
भी
you
present कर
think?
सकता है कि यार कोई मर गया आकाश ने बोला।
मेरे को तो शक है भाई आकाश पे.
एक को शक है सूची पे।
She is
क्यों?
hiding a smile. It is सुचिता
Never
और
mind.
अनिल। शक्ल पे देख के
Mute
पता
when
चलता है
you
दोनों खूनी है।
Oh, sure.
सस्पिशियस स्माइल है सुचिता के मुंह पे, सस्पिशियस। अब भी वॉशरूम पे जाके आई है।
खा ले माइक को, खा ले अंदर आ.
It could be Suchi or it could be Akash.
Why? Give me a valid
आकाश तो
reason.
मरने वाला
Why?
unnecessarily
You
दोनों
disappeared.
फालतू
So I
में
guess
मर रहा
Suchita
है
has
the person
got-
was killed.
Okay, let's go, Preet. because he had his chashma on.
He went somewhere. He went back and came. So when you go out of the app and use your phone, that's when it happens. Guys, the goal is to kill the mafia, not the villagers. ये दोनों ने कुछ नहीं किया है.
Okay, guys, let's start voting. First up, Abigail.
I'm gonna vote for Akash.
Okay.
Okay, so Abigail has voted for Akash. Next up, we have Akash.
Suchita.
Suchita has got a vote. Next, we have Suchita. Suchita, who would you like to vote for?
Myself.
Like to vote for Gurpreet.
Okay, Gurpreet has got one vote. Next up, we have Gresham.
I have a
Gresham.
feeling it's Kiran. Slight reasons because I think so he's a good killer in this game.
Yeah, that is true.
Yeah, true.
But all the
Very
time
That is
they
true,
say
but
mafia.
True.
it's not me, bro.
It is true. He's saying
That is
it
true,
is
but
true
it's
also.
not me.
Next up, Gurpreet.
I would like to comment Suchita.
Suchita gets another vote.
Joking.
Kiran,
Suchi.
another vote.
Hey,
Next up, we have Sandra.
Gurpreet.
Last but not the least, it's me. I'll go with Suchita.
Y'all
not
are
her,
doing
bro.
a very
not
bad mistake.
It's
A
not her.
very
Akash, try
bad
after.
mistake. Oh my god.
Suchita is not the mafia, guys.
Suchi, please join me.
When I told you guys not to do it, तुम लोग मानने दे रहे हो बस एकदम ना. I just
Don't
Suchi, I
forget,
believed you.
we are
Suchi,
doing
I believed
silence
you.
protest.
Remember, I believed you. I had faith in you.
I don't
So,
care.
so Mafia right now is going to be killing one more person and stopping our voices. As he does that, let's enjoy and see what's happening right now in the protest.
स्क्रीन पे भी ध्यान दो दे कि गुरप्रीत ही है. एकदम,
गुरप्रीत का चश्मा है.
One second.
देखना जरा.
उसमें,
Let's go.
Viking. Woo! Haaland.
Wow. They're saying resign.
Haaland, he's surprising.
Imagine if Haaland has messaged over here.
Nice.
Calling
We should
Haaland. अबे जल्दी resignation दे, कल पलवेल निकलना है.
मोदी
जी मुझे मेरे बुरे दिन वापस करो. Favorite video. I don't know if you all have watched this.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I've
I've
seen
seen
this in this.
I remember.
No, I haven't. I know I have.
So they are all in the police van, and one guy
Detained.
opens the police van and they run out. So somebody has been killed, guy, and that person is the person who's under his bed right now. Kiran has been killed by the mafia. Kiran, what are your final words? Who do you think it is?
Aji, well played, bro.
Yeah.
Gurpreet.
Acting.
Acting बहुत ज्यादा करता है तू. हाँ, ऑस्कर मिलना चाहिए तेरे को.
For your information, I used to edit his video. I know his acting skill.
मेरे को तो लग रहा है अनिल है भाई सबके पीछे छुपा हुआ मजे ले रहा है सबके मुझे अभी लग रहा है सैंड्रा है मैं सबको
Just
सैंड्रा
because I
मारने
gave
जा रही है।
reminder.
Gresham is weirdly quiet.
मैं
Sandra-
It's either
मैं
Gresham or Guri. It's,
First of all, I accused Kiran. Kiran is only dead.
No,
नहीं,
your
यहाँ पे
plan
होगी.
may be there. Your plan could be there that to kill him in the next
हाँ
round.
मेरा प्लान यही था किरण को ही मारने और किरण को ही अक्यूज करने.
I think Abigail could also be a suspect. She's just been quiet all this time.
I
No,
feel
no.
the same. I'm suspecting it is Abigail.
Oh.
I was in the previous.
Now I'm sure it is Akash.
So,
I'm 100% sure it is
Yeah.
Akash.
Akash का
It is
body language change हो
100%
गया.
Akash. Bhai, Akash ही है.
I was
Next,
suspecting it to be Kiran, but वो खुद मर गया है, तो
मेरे को ग्रे का गॉसिप्स कंटेंट समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि वो है कि नहीं. वो म्यूट पे.
Me, see, I am first of all accusing Kiran. Kiran only died. Now, if I accuse Guru, Guru will be like, हाँ तू ही है भाई, तू ही है. तू देख भाई.
Hey, but
But
that
what
could be
if-
a game. No, first who Matthew, then everybody voted. In that last round, they voted Suchita. Then he said, okay, Kiran.
Matthew died? अरे हाँ. Shit.
Yeah, Matthew was
When are
Matthew
you
died
back?
first only.
Good
150
acting
रुपए
again.
काट
Kiran, इसका acting का पैसे काटो.
50 रुपए काट पे.
Okay, guys, let's vote.
Then who all
Let's-
are in the game?
Hey, what is wrong with you men?
First up, Abigail.
I'm shady.
Akash, who do you think want to vote for?
Gurpreet.
Gresham.
Game खत्म.
Gresham,
Game
who do you want to
over,
vote for?
खत्म.
ये फंस गया.
Guru.
Gurpreet, go on.
Raise your hand now. Raise your hand if you think you're the mafia. अच्छा हाँ है.
ये फंस गया.
Next, Gurpreet.
Myself.
I would like to vote for
What
Sandra
yourself?
Sandra would like vote for.
Gurpreet.
I don't think so it is
अभी
Gurpreet
भी
now.
चेंज कर सकते हो दोस्तों देख
मेरे
लो
को तो
बता दो मैं
आकाश लग रहा
I
है.
will go for Akash.
अरे आकाश के
King इनकलाब
not
मेरे
rated.
को तो
इनकलाब।
आकाश लग रहा है अभी
The mafia still lives, guys.
गुरप्रीत
इतना overacting क्यों किया?
इसीलिए बोल रहा था नीट का फुल फॉर्म पहले कर लो फिर प्रोटेस्ट करना बिना फुल फॉर्म
But
पढ़े हुए प्रोटेस्ट करने चले
गुरप्रीत
गए
तू
इधर it's Anil or either it's Akash.
Please both
Yeah.
जी को
कौन
बुलाओ.
देखी है?
There's Abigail and Grey also.
It can't be.
Grey
It can't be
को ना
Anil.
एव-
हाँ
yeah,
भाई.
yeah.
Yeah,
मेरे
Abigail,
को
can you see his screen?
actually
Can you see his screen?
अभी see my
Yeah,
screen.
check your
What's
screen.
written.
माफिया
Mafia.
देखा
Mafia.
ये प्रूफ है अभी ये प्रूफ है मैं माफिया नहीं हूँ.
सर ये क्लास बिक चुकी है.
Now the mafia is at loose. He's going to kill somebody, and as he does that, let's watch what's happening in India.
ग्रिशम सैंडर को
Okay.
मारा. ग्रिशम
महेंद्र प्रधान अब तक रिजाइन क्यों नहीं कर रहे? ये तो शायद हमें धुरंधर 3 में ही पता लगेगा.
Master stroke.
Can I get an Oya?
I didn't
I guess.
understand what you
No
Can I get a
way.
Maya?
No way.
I am.
Chacha. Chacha.
Hey, yeah. So cringe.
I'm a millennial. I'm not a Gen Z.
Hello,
I-
even I'm a millennial.
Plain no, yeah. Like this, you don't leave an old person.
It's like matcha, where nobody
Yeah,
understood what matcha is.
Okay, okay.
Oh,
Meat,
अभी
meat.
सब्जी में.
Wine store will never close, but wine store will never close.
Okay, right, the person is killed is me. I'm killed, guys. I am now very much sure that it is Akash.
I feel it
Akash
is Sandra. I feel it is Sandra. यार,
Like
भाई,
तीनों का body
crazy
language
भाई।
एकदम super है.
No,
Abigail
आकाश
का,
acting बहुत
आकाश
अच्छा
का,
करता है।
Grey का, हाँ.
no, no.
एक ही माइक शेयर कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. That is why we are on
Because
mute. हम लोग यहाँ
see
से
how it
पास कर रहे
started. Matthew got killed, then Kiran got killed. Now it is Anil.
Hmm.
So I feel it is Sandra.
Baseless justification.
Still don't feel it is Akash, bro.
it is
But
very
still,
tough.
इतना I don't know how good he is in acting.
He's very good.
का एक eyebrow ऊपर जा रहा है ऐसा.
Yeah.
There are only 4 people who are playing this game. That is Abigail, Akash, Gresham, and Sandra. One of you all are the mafia, so you'll have to figure out who it is. People who have died, let's help the people who are playing.
is Mr. Shady Grey.
Slim Shady. Oh, look at that reaction.
Overacting के पैसे काटना.
हमेशा I only get accused for everything. I will go out now also na, and फिर भी there will be a mafia in this game. अभी तू देख.
It's okay. Vote for him.
Oh, damn. मैं बोल रहा हूँ आकाश है भाई. Next up, Kiran. Kiran has already given his verdict, right? It's Grey.
Yeah, it's great.
Matthew, क्या बोलना चाहोगे भाई?
I will go with this time Sandra. She is the one. वो सब
अच्छा,
acting
ठीक।
पकड़ रही है. But she
हाँ।
वैसे
is
तुम
the
लोग को
boss.
Gen Z का मैं
Feel
तुम
it
लोग को
is
Gen Z का
Sandra.
रील
Feel
पूछ
it is
रही थी
Sandra.
कब से.
तो वही तो है ना.
I'm telling you, I couldn't
divert your
I've been
understand.
laughing at
Time
every
भी नहीं
reel. I
मिला
have not
मुझे.
even
और
seen.
इधर घाघरा में वाईफाई.
I was asking all questions about the reel which I couldn't understand. How
Yeah.
can it be me?
She
I
is
didn't
nothing
even have
related
time
to the
to
game.
watch
It's just a
it.
divergent guys. I'm telling you, it is Sandra.
No, ये
God.
देख यार आकाश डांस करते जा रहा है. एक बार सैंड्रा बोल रहा है, एक बार ग्रीशम बोल रहा है. वो देख
नहीं
माफिया
नहीं
है.
नहीं मैंने Sandra
That is
पहले
what
से
I'm
ही किया था.
saying.
कभी इधर
I-
कभी और
I
स्टार्टिंग
can
से
guarantee it is
but
not Abby also. I can guarantee it is not Abby. I'll tell you why. Abby does not understand Hindi reels, so she's on her phone over here.
Oh shit. Okay.
So
Next, last.
she's laughing and then she's putting it down.
Suchi, who you think it is?
को तो आकाश लग रहा है because once we were watching the reels, his thing was this side.
What was this side?
Yeah, your
No, we
his
don't
hand
want
was
to know.
covering the face, so
We don't want to know.
his hand was covering his face, so I know what's happening.
Okay, guys, time to vote. 4 of you all are left. Abigail, who would you like to put your vote for?
I think I'm gonna vote for Akash.
Akash. Akash is gone. Akash, who do you think is the mafia? Who would you like to vote?
Sandra. Sandra is the mafia.
Yeah.
I don't
Telling you, it is
Gresham.
Sandra.
I don't
और
think
बार
so,
राउंड
sir.
चलेगा.
Gresham, your vote.
I think it is Akash.
Telling you, it is Sandra. I'm
Do
telling
not
you
listen
guys,
to
she was vouching for me
Do not listen to
during the
them.
last voting.
Yeah, but now I
Okay.
know he
No.
pretend. Now I feel it is wrong because what happened is when I was seeing the notification that people did not vote, nobody heard me, but he heard me and then he said, "अरे मैंने vote कर दी."
No, I never said that.
3 votes go for Akash, 1 for Sandra. So, Akash has been killed.
Oh,
Wait, what? Gresham is the mafia.
I told you he pretends
Oh,
very
shit.
well.
Yes! फिर से एक और माफिया विन
Yeah, last time also he
How's
did the
that
same
possible,
thing.
man?
Yeah,
Abigail?
what a good act, Abigail. I told
Abigail.
you.
Abigail is busy on her
Screen.
phone. She has no idea. She's only watching my screen of the
Abigail.
people over
Shit,
here.
man.
He
Let's
didn't
see,
die
slide.
until now. Me and Acha, but majority people died, so Mafia wins.
So with this, Mafia has won the game, and that is Gresham. Please clap for Gresham, everyone.
Very good.
it does
Well
not
played, Gray. Well
Thank you,
played.
thank you.
Second time.
As I said in the start, the person who leaks paper has successfully been nominated as a mafia and won the mafia. So he's very experienced in the game.
Go to India,
Uh,
become a politician, man.
Yeah,
I just want
he's dressed also like a mafia.
Put full suspicion on Akash. Very good. Very nicely played.
You
No,
put
but
full
Kiran-
suspicion on me,
Kiran-
Sandra.
Arey.
No.
Crazy. So guys, with this we end the first episode of Mafia. Congratulations, Gray. Please round of applause for Gray for playing this game super well.
Very well. Very well.
अरे इसमें मेरे पास एक सवाल है ग्रेशम नीट का फुल फॉर्म क्या है
Oh.
That's my time, guys. Okay, bye bye. Good night.